Hello guys, you are watching MC Doctor TV, and today we'll be coming up with some items that we'll be using for instant erection. And whenever you want to make your partner happy, and this is going to be for both male and female. You understand what I'm saying now? So there are many women out there that are not happy with the way their husband or boyfriend or the word fiancé are performing, and definitely this will be of help to you. This is not the only item we'll be using. Give me some time, I'll be bringing more items. I'll be teaching you three ways in which you can have instant erection, and it will make your wife or your girlfriend, whatever you call it. Some people call it side chick, though I don't support that. One woman, one man is what I support. This will make her cry for more. Just give me time. Here I have two type of groundnut. Yeah, two type of groundnut. If you don't have grounded one like this, you can look for the seed one. The seed one you can eat. The seed one you can go for the grounded one. This is two type of groundnut. Any type of groundnut you see can help you. This will help. This will go for instant erection and also make you have a harder cucumber. I'm bringing more. Yeah, I know you're going to be surprised. This is palm oil. I will also tell you how to use this. And lest I forget, if you know you are an stomach ulcer patient, if you have stomach ulcer, especially because of garlic, this procedure will not be good for you. If you are an ulcer patient, this procedure will not be good for you, the one of the garlic. So I will also be showing you another type that can be good for ulcer patients. I'll be showing you another type for ulcer patients. Going to give me some time. And we have this, popularly known as banana. So if you know the botanical name, you can drop that in the comment section. Banana. And in my next video, I'll also be showing you what you can do again with plantain, unripe plantain that is not ripe. But for today, we'll be using banana. Banana is also another great tool to the human body. Let me use the word tool. So I'm coming. We have more to give. Yes. You also know this. You know, sometimes for those Africans that are watching, you know, sometimes we have majority in Africa, we have this type. And for those in the Europe, if you are a white man or a white woman watching this video also, this is a lime. So most of the ones we see here, they are yellow in color, and they are bigger than this. Yeah, we're making this video right in Europe, but whoever that is in Africa, Europe, Asia continent, wherever you are, America, UK, you can do this process, and it's going to make you regain back your home that was about destroyed. Because most time there are some women who feel their man cannot perform, they stay 1 minute, they stay 4 minutes, and this make them to lose their home. They go after another man and etc. But after this, you're going to have your man back again. You're going to have your wife back again. Wait for me, I'm bringing more tools. Let me call it tool. I'm bringing more, so that I'm going to show you three types that you can use for instant erection. And this will last you for like 4 to 5 hours. Yeah, your woman, she's going to come. She will come and come and come again and again and again. I'm coming. These are some of the things we eat on a daily basis. But we don't know these things, they work effectively in the body. And when it comes to ejaculation and performance in the bed, I'm going to show you more. Yeah, red wine. I will not be showing you the brand, but I want you to know any type of red wine you can afford can go. Any type of red wine. any type of red wine can go. So red wine normally is good for the heart. Red wine is good for the heart. And let me bring one more too. Moment please. Is this stabby knife, kitchen knife? Whichever you call it, you need a knife in case of necessity. So for now, these are some of the items we're going to be working on today. And once again, if you know it's your first time and you've not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I would like you to do so. Please subscribe, because we are here to give some health tips that can save your home, your marriage, your relationship, help you get back that peaceful home that you once built. And those who suddenly have weak erection and all that, you're going to get it back again after this process, or after this procedure. So first, I would like to start with the one that ulcer patients can take. An ulcer patient can take. So I would like to go with the one of the honey, then the banana. You can also go with the banana, the honey, and then lime again. So with this, let's keep this so that I can explain this for now for the stomach ulcer patient, and I'll be coming back again for the rest. Yeah. I like us to start with that of ulcer patients. Yes, these are 3 simple items. Don't see this like something very simple, but it's going to work magic. You might probably have tested so many other adverts or videos you see online, but I want you to give this a try. At least 2 bananas. You eat 2 bananas. In most cases, some people, sometimes in order to waste your time, some people will tell you blend it. They will start blending it in order to take more of your time. It's good, because the longer video we make, the more revenue you can also get from YouTube. And please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Most of the times, most doctors you get in the pharmacies, they may not give you this home remedy, because everybody needs more money. Keep coming to the hospital checkup and all that. So, but what am I trying to let you know? 2 of these, when you want to go, I'm talking about instant erection. Maybe your woman is around, or you're about to start up the job, 8 hours job, whatever job you want to make. So the banana is okay, and then the honey, the lime, at least 1 lime. Eat the 2 banana, then cut the lime. If you want to press it, you press it. Drink the water, 1 or 2. 1 or 2 is okay. You drink it and take from the honey. Maybe, let's say 2 tablespoons. You can take 2 tablespoons of honey. Boom, boom, boom. 1, boom, then and 2. I think I should take this. For now, we'll be taking only 1 tablespoon, but you need 2 tablespoons, because I don't have anything to do now. So 2 tablespoons can good for you. Then 1 or 2 of the lime, and then 2 of this. You have to take it 10 or 15, 20 minutes before the time of ejaculation, before the time you want to meet with your partner. And trust me, you're going to call again over and over again. Yeah, thank you very much. And we want you to put this to work. Try this. And if your cassava was staying like this before, trust me, it's going to come like this. Double, very hard and strong. And your woman is going to shout, "Daddy, please stop, because she's going to come over and over again." My phone is ringing. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Please subscribe and watch the next video.